Have you remembered the first time you strolled around the campus? Today, April 20, 2024, Colegio de San Juan de Letran, Manila conducts its annual Letran Open House for students to explore its facilities and discover what Letran has for them. Let's dive right in as we will interview some of the future Letranites to share their thoughts on today's Letran Open House. To start the event, students from junior high school to collegiate level were welcomed as they gathered at the SC Auditorium to start off the event. This includes the orientation for both senior high school and college programs, along with the performance of United Dance Company. Also, the Letran grounds were light up as the performance of Letran Band and Cheering Squad kick-started the Arriba spirit in their hearts.
So, masasabi ko sa open house ay napakasaya. Nakita ko rin kung paano ko ma-enhance yung skills ko in terms of my preferred course, which is Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering.
Well, dito sa open house, parang sobrang lively ng mga staff na nag-aasikaso sa amin, and parang na-immerse talaga kami dun sa mga program na gusto namin pasukan as college applicants.
Masaya po ako ngayon kasi na-experience ko yung open house na to, kasi I think ito pala yung first open house and campus tour na na-attend doon ko sa pag-apply ko ngayon sa for college, and na-amaze ako sa mga facilities na meron yung Letran.
So far po, very interested po ako sa mga civil engineering organizations po, and iba naman po mga organizations gaya po nung sa yung paggawa po ng film festival po nila. And gusto ko rin po sana i-focus din po yung sa civil engineering, electrical engineering workshops po nila, kung saan parang mas mapofocus po talaga namin kung ano pong interest po namin sa course po namin.
Actually, sobrang interested talaga ako sa since alumni yung mother ko here. Then, kagabi, nag-aalangan pa ako kasi meron kaming event sa school. So, nung pagpunta ko dito kanina, hindi ko in-expect, lalo na nung nasa pa lang kami, this yung room na pinag-ulan. Sobrang lively, grabe. And nung nag-tour na kami, ang dami kong nakita yung environment dito sa Letran. So, very friendly, kahit di po namin kilala, nabati kami mga colleges here. And yun, parang magiging first choice ko na ang Letran.
My experience po sa open house, it was fun, and ang dami ko pong nakita mga different departments. And napaka-interesting po kasi most of the students here are very close to each other.
To convey their excitement and dedication towards their interest in applying for Letran, after the campus tour, they got the chance to interact with Letranites from different departments such as CEIT, CBAA, CLAS, and COED, and other cultural and performing arts group that they can join to showcase their genuine passion and skills.
Kaya interested po ako dito dahil sa values nila, lalo na po sa NCAA po na team nila, seniors and juniors. Interested din po kasi ako sa lahat ng mga bagay dito, sa mga clubs and sa ino-offer nilang mga programs po. Kahit po sa civil engineering, dito po, best preferred option ko po.
So sa Letran po, I find this school very fun. Like sa mga nasasabi po ng mga friends ko from this school po is parang masaya dito. Like tas yung sa NCAA din po na teams nyo, and super fun daw po. So,
Fan kasi ako ng NCAA basketball. So, doon ako nag-start magkaroon ng interest para mag-apply sa Letran. So, ngayon, tatry kong makapasok sa Letran para maging isang Letranista. May nabasa din ako na yung Letran is one of the good schools din for engineering, and I think Letran is the best choice po for me.
Sinabi ko, yung mother ko nga kasi alumni here. Then, fan kasi ako ng NCAA, her basketball. Then, nung last nag-champion yung senior basketball, nung three-peat, pumunta ako ng victory party. Then yun, yung mga events dito nakikita ko sa Facebook page, so naging interested talaga.
Makes me interested is yung mga students, like they're very open with each other, and ang bilis lang po makahalubilo sa kanila.
Students from different schools and universities really shown their interest in today's event. Whether you're a high school or college, Letran Open House paved their way in becoming a future Letranite. This has been Nicole Lim, and these are the Nights in Spotlight.